This is one of the most widespread of plants in American deserts, and its roots are better at extracting the last molecule of water from these parched sands than those of any other American plant. And this has led to a most extraordinary state of affairs that's only just been discovered. It seems that the creosote bush was the first plant to establish itself in the arid sand of the Mojave Desert when the desert first appeared. And once it had established its extensive root system, it extracted moisture from the sand so efficiently that it was extremely difficult for any other plant to grow alongside it. And that applied not only to any other kind of plant, but also to its own seedlings. So an individual creosote bush tended to spread not by setting seeds and producing a new generation, but by sending out new stems around its base. And as these spread outwards, so the stems in the middle tended to die away, and the bush grew into a ring shape, like this. So these are not separate individual creosote bushes as it might appear, but this is just one big ring-shaped individual plant. Over the centuries, the rings widened and changed their shape until now some are over 25 yards across, like this one. Of course, the individual stems and leaves of this plant are not very ancient. The first ones to grow that appeared in the middle have decayed and disappeared a long time ago. But now it's estimated that this plant started growing between 10 and 12,000 years ago. In fact, when the Mojave Desert first appeared. And that makes it the oldest known living organism in the world. In the Mojave, the plants may have to survive for as long as 10 years without rain.